Hello everyone, here I will be talking about the life and important works of Toni Morrison. Toni Morrison was born as Chloe Anthony Wofford in 1931. She was a black American and lived in Ohio. Her father was a welder in a shipyard. Her mother also did a lot of petty jobs in order to run the family. Her mother also wanted to educate all of her children. Toni Morrison's parents were aware of the racial discrimination and the exploitation of black people by white Americans. Her education. When Toni Morrison went to school, she was surprised to notice that she was the only black child studying in her class. When she grew up, she became interested in literature. She also went to Howard University for study. She got her master's degree from Cornell University. She wrote a thesis on the subject of suicide in the works of Virginia Woolf and William Faulkner. She also taught at Texas Southern University and Howard University as English teacher. She got married to Harold Morrison and changed her name as Toni Morrison. Why did she change her name? She changed her name because Chloe was difficult in being pronounced. Her marriage was not successful and she got separated from her husband in 1964. Later on, she worked as a senior editor for Random House Publications. Her works and awards. All of her works deal with the problems and the issues faced by Black people living in America. She received a National Book Critics Circle Award for her novel Song of Solomon, published in 1977. She won Pulitzer Prize for her novel Beloved in 1988. She was awarded Nobel Prize for Literature in 1993. Her important works are The Bluest Eye, Sula, Song of Solomon, Tar Baby, Beloved, Jazz, and Paradise. In her novel, The Bluest Eye, she presents a pathetic picture of a black young girl, Piccola Breedlove, who suffers so much racial discrimination that she goes insane imagining that she has got blue eyes like white girls and now everyone will start loving her. Beloved. The novel Beloved recounts the physical, emotional, and spiritual devastation caused to Black people by white Americans. They were treated so badly that sometimes they doubted whether they are human beings or not. So there were no laws to protect Black people working as slaves under white masters. Black women were doubly marginalized as they were brutally whipped and raped by their white owners. This novel is based on an actual incident which happened in 1856 when a black slave, Margaret Garner, ran away from a slave plantation and killed her daughter in order to save her from the brutality and the horrors of slavery. Slaves were sold and bought like cattle in markets, and they were treated as fugitives if they ran away from their masters. So, police officers were supposed to catch them and surrender them back to their owners. So, that was the law. And here the PPT ends.